But there was no relief from the apex court to Kejriwal government caught in a turf war with Lieutenant Governor. The Supreme Court on Friday refused to stay the committee formed by Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung to review files of Aam Aadmi Party government relating to decisions taken unilaterally by Delhi government without the sanction of the LG's office. The matter has been listed for final hearing on 15th of November.
Adding yet another embarrassment to the AAP government in Delhi, the Supreme Court has refused to give any respite to Arvind Kejriwal on the issue of power division between the centre and Delhi government. The apex court refused to stay the order of Delhi High Court that in union territories, executionary power lies with the office of Lieutenant Governor. The Supreme Court also did not agree with the contention that the decision of the Lieutenant Governor to set up a 3-member committee to look into the past decisions of the Delhi government should be stayed. The court said that it may consider referring the petitions to a larger bench after hearing arguments. The matter has been listed for final hearing on November the 15th. Earlier, the Delhi High Court on Thursday quashed the appointment of 21 of the AAP's MLAs as parliamentary secretaries. Meanwhile, both the BJP and the Congress are taking a jibe at the ruling party.
लेकिन वास्तविकता ये है कि हाई कोर्ट ने जो फैसला दिया है उससे ये सिद्ध हो गया है कि 1.5 वर्ष तक दिल्ली की जनता को गुमराह करते रहे, अनाधिकार चेष्टा करते रहे और दिल्ली का विकास की तरफ ध्यान न करके सिर्फ अपनी राजनीतिक रोटियां चमकाने की कोशिश की।
केजरीवाल जी हमेशा संविधान के विपरीत बातें करते हैं। वो तो खुद ही कहते हैं कि मैं अनार्किस्ट हूं। लाभ के पदों के ऊपर ऐसे लोगों को कानूनी प्रतिबंधन में रखना जो नहीं रह सकते, उनको खारिज होना ही था और अदालत ने किया। पर बात इससे बड़ी है।
Parties' internal differences are also taking a toll on the political prospects in the election-bound state of Punjab. AAP has come down harsh against its whistleblowers. Senior leader in Punjab in charge Sanjay Singh and Durgesh Pathak have filed a criminal defamation case against party MLAs Devendra Pavitra Singh and Hardeep Singh Kingra.
आरोप के नाम पर कोई तथ्य, कोई प्रमाण, कोई सबूत उनको सामने रखना चाहिए। क्या आपको उन्होंने कोई सबूत दिखाया?
जो बातें कही थी अंडरलाइन करके सब पर एक पर कायम है और जो है सबका जवाब देंगे बढ़िया तरीके से।
Meanwhile, Arvind Kejriwal reached Amritsar on Friday and is leaving no stone unturned to woo voters in the run-up to the assembly elections. With inputs from Vikas Sarthi in New Delhi, DD News.